Good morning, it's Dr. Boulos. Today is the day number 4 at our open house, and we are really happy and satisfied with the way we've done our open house this year. It's by appointment, so we feel like we're talking to you guys one-to-one. Today we have Marissa. She is from Vivier, and she's coming with lots of information, education, consultation, and discount. Good morning, Marissa.
Good morning, Dr. Boulos.
Good. I just want to ask you one question. What's good about your line? Tell me one good thing. I know it has lots of good things, but just one good thing, the top thing that you can think of.
So we're a pharmaceutical grade line, so everything that we have and everything that we say on our products, we have to have proven that it's done that. The products go through a lot more testing than over-the-counter products, so they're safe, they're effective, and they penetrate a lot deeper than over-the-counter products, and they're a lot more concentrated.
Beautiful. And it's only a doctor's office.
Only at doctor's
because
offices,
it's medical graded, and it has its own indication.
Exactly.
And what I do like about her line is it has beautiful serums, and those serums are the only company that we carry here that can treat those kind of problem in terms of hyperpigmentation, and their vitamin C's are amazing.
Yes, they are.
Okay, so your serums are really amazing.
Yeah, our serums are the best on the market, and we have a phenomenal neck cream that we've just introduced into this clinic recently. The results are phenomenal.
And I like the Hexam cleanser.
Yeah,
it's really nice and
foamy.
A couple
samples of those.
I know. Okay, so we have Marissa today. Please come and have your skin analysis, and this is we take the pride of advising people and their products after we analyze their skin, and she has discounts. What are the discounts today?
Yep, so we have 10% off all products. But if you buy 3 peels at 30% off, you get a free peel along with that. Or if you spend over $500 on products, you get a free peel worth $180. Or if you buy a kit, you get a free peel as well.
So it's a 10%.
10%.
And everything, and the kits itself, it is reduced price because it's cheaper when you buy a kit.
30% off if you buy kits as opposed to individual
So that means a 40% on a kit.
Yeah.
It's a 30% and an extra 10%.
Yeah.
And you're gonna give another. That means you give it to people for free because you're gonna give them a peel for $180.
Yeah.
Fine. It's it's a good time of the year.
Yeah. And the best part of doing a peel before you start a kit is that you're giving yourself a clean base for all the products to penetrate deeper.
That's good. So come and see Marissa today. I want to tell you one more thing about today's special. So whatever lipstick I'm wearing, the day I'm wearing, this lipstick is going to be 40%. So this lipstick is called, if you like it, it's called Uptown, and from Glow Mineral, and it's mineral. It has even SPF for my lips. But today, if you come and buy this lipstick, Uptown, you're going to get it on a 40%. So watch what I'm wearing every day because it's going to be a really discounted ones. See you.